Yo, what is up today, guys? This is like a quick informational video on people that have like 10 series or Monogram series FRSs and are trying to wire the Vlands. I know there's not a lot of like videos on it online, so we figured it out. Basically, what you need to do is let me just show you. So to get the turn signals to work, you have to get the yellow wire that's attached to the headlight and not like this part. So like you can disconnect this technically. You can disconnect this part technically, but no, just leave it in. Okay. But you get a splicer, you connect those two wires and you run the wire all the way down to the turn signal over here. Like that. And what I did was I cut it off of the FRS adapter, just so you can get that wire down. And to actually get the boomerangs to work, it's really simple actually. All you have to do on the back side of this is you have to swap the white and the yellow wiring positions. And after you swap those, the turn signals and everything should work just fine. That was fine.
DMCA.
This guy. But yeah, if you guys have any questions and need any answers, just hit me up in the comments and I can help you out there. But yeah, this video is for anyone with a 10 series or Monogram FRS, because it's a little tricky to get these boys to work with the special edition car. Right, Quan?
You're cool and slow.
What? They hate me. Alright, but yeah. Once we get these all wired up, I mean, almost forgot to mention this part, but you want to connect this yellow wire to this red portion of the... Oh, it's not focusing. But there you go. Like that red wire, basically. Right here. There you go. It's focused now. You connect this yellow wire to that red wire with the splice, and that should all work out just fine. And I'll shoot a video for you showing how it works.
But actually,
after we get it.
slow.
What?
But actually, really, it is.
This is what it should look like after you crimp it together to the turn signals. And here it is up here, as you can see the red. Hopefully you guys can understand how that worked out, but here you go. I'll do the honors. Let me know if it works.
Damn. Yeah.
Let me show them. I'm gonna show them the boomerangs.
Okay. Wait, it's off. I'm just kidding. That's nice.
All right. So for y'all that have a Monogram or a 10 series FRS and you guys want to wire these Vlands up, this is going to be like a quick segment on how to do it. But essentially, this bracket comes from the Vland headlight, and this yellow wire is where the white wire would be, and this white wire is where the yellow would be. So what you have to do is swap them. So originally, this yellow wire is going to be over here, and this white wire is going to be over here. So you got to swap them. So I'm going to show you how you do that. You're going to need one of these things. They're like the micro tools. I don't know what you call them, but you need the flathead. And basically what you do is when you come in here, you push it down, and you like kind of wiggle out this white part. Right? See that? I got it out. After you get that out, you find where the white and the yellow are, you coordinate it, and what you do is you push down on it to swap them. Just as simple as that. Or there's like latches. I'm not gonna do it for mine, but you guys kind of get it. You basically have to delatch it and push, right? And that's gonna get it out. And once that's out, you just swap the two. And it should come out like this, where you literally pull it out, you literally pull it out, and you pull this one out, and you swap them, and then they should be good, right? So I'm gonna try and shove that mine back in, because I don't want to mess with it too much. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that. It's pretty easy. There's not a lot of like tutorials on YouTube or on like Google that like help you with this, so I decided that maybe I should be the one to upload it to YouTube, because there's literally nothing on it. Shout out to Tyler Tran. He really helped me out kind of with figuring this out with his doc, but he has recently closed out his channel, so I don't know how well it would be to ask him for those documents. But basically when I read them, I kind of got an understanding on where it would go. So how it works is basically this white is your daytime running light, and this yellow is your turn signal. And the way like the GT86s, the 2017 models are, I guess when they're wired up, the daytime running is actually where the turn signal should be, and the turn signal is where the daytime running is. So yeah, just a quick wire up. That's all you need to switch out. It's pretty easy. It was kind of a headache when I first did this, like last year. I was driving around like with the turn signal as my daytime running lights. It was kind of funny. If I had videos of that, I would have showed y'all. But yeah, so this is how you get a 10 series or Monogram series 8.6 to run the Vlands. So yeah, you're welcome, guys. Alright, so this is the turn signals when the bumper and everything's all put back together. Looks really good. I mean, I've been kind of running it with it like for a whole year without it, so it's a good change. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below, and I'll probably try and answer them the best I can. But yeah, that's pretty good. I like how it kind of matches up with the strobing of the OEM turn signal. But cool. Alright, y'all. Alright guys, so here are the boomerangs on with the sequentials on at the same time. It looks so good. I'm very happy with the outcome. What you think, Alvin? No, he's too busy. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them. But yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it on this quick video of the FRS. But yeah, we got more coming for this car. Hopefully headers soon. So yeah, I mean, just leave a like, comment, subscribe, guys. It would mean a lot to us if you guys supported this channel. We got some builds coming for the Civic over there, and we got the BRZ over there. But yeah, alright guys, catch you in the next one.